Okay, and let me spotlight me. Okay, now you can see me in full screen. Yes, everyone? Okay. So,
Yes, sir.
1 minute again. Electric energy we discussed. In this, we discussed first the conservation of energy we have discussed. Then we discussed the different kinds of energies and their conversions, like electric energy converted into different forms of energy. And now we are discussing measurement of electrical energy. How we are going to measure the electrical energy. Okay. So, how we can measure the electrical energy? See here, for example, this is the simple circuit we take. Okay. We have the resistor. This is the resistance R. This is the load. Consider this as the load. Okay. You can consider it as a bulb, any appliance you can consider. Okay. So all the work will be done in here. Okay. This is the potential difference. This is the potential difference that will be available across it. Okay. And here we have switch. Okay. Now, when switch is closed, okay, so we are having V voltage, that is potential difference, and resistance R connected in series. Okay, it will be connected in series one. Okay, connected such that, okay. And when we press the key for how many time we have pressed. For example, for T seconds we have pressed. That means the current will be flowing for how many time? T seconds. Current will be flowing for T seconds through it. Okay. Now we have to measure the electrical energy. Okay. So we have studied electrical energy. This energy will be supplied from this cell. This energy will be supplied from this cell. And this energy will be same as amount of work done on this resistor. This you understood? This energy supplied from the
Yes,
cell
sir.
will be same as amount of work done on this resistance. Amount of work done. So how much is work done here? So for example, so work done we have studied before. Work done will be equal to how much? Q into V. That is, we are supplying how much charge? Q charge through this resistor. We are supplying through this circuit, we are supplying Q charge across the potential difference under the potential difference of V. Okay. This we have discussed earlier as well when we have discussed what? Potential difference is how much work done on per unit charge when we are bringing it from infinity. Okay. From that, we can write W equal to how much? V into Q. That is how much charge the cell has supplied and under the potential difference V. That will be the work done here. That will be the work done here. So energy supplied here is same as work done. We can say it energy supplied or work done. Both are same. Understood this one? The amount of energy supplied through the cell is same as the work done in this circuit. Okay. So work done equal to Q into V. Okay. Okay. And for okay Q into V. Okay. How much charge is supplied in terms of current time? Q equal to how much? Okay, I equal to what? This we have studied rate of
Q upon
flow of charge Q upon T. Q upon T. So Q will be how much? I into T. This you understood? Now we can replace Q. In place of Q, we put IT. Work done will be how much? I V I T. VIT. It means how much is work done. How much current is passing? The current I passing through the circuit for how much time? For T seconds under what voltage? Under V voltage. So
We
what is
want.
the work done here? The current passing through the circuit for T seconds under the voltage of V. That is across the voltage is how much? Under the potential difference of V. This is work done. And this work done is same as energy supplied. So energy supplied is what? VIT. Understood? So potential difference V for how much time we have switched on the key. For how much time current has flown or flowed. How much time the current flow. Understood this much? This is the work done.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
yes,
how much current is when under the voltage V for T seconds current provided is I. Okay. This is W equal to VIT. Okay. Next is different expressions for this. Okay. Now we will be expressing this equation in different forms. Okay. We'll be expressing this expression in different forms. How? Okay. W equal to VIT. This we have already understood. Okay. Now, Ohm's law is what? V is proportional to I. That is, current is proportional to voltage difference. More the potential difference, more the current flows. This we have discussed. That is Ohm's law. How they are related? IR. V equal to IR. This is Ohm's law. Now, if I replace V with I, it will be how much? I square RT. Understood?
Right.
I'm replacing V. So
Yes.
work done equal to VIT. This is equal to I square RT, and this is equal to, okay. If I replace I will be V by R. If I replace I will be V by R. So W will be how much? V square upon RT. V square upon RT. This is clear? So work done was what? VIT. We have just replaced once V, once I using Ohm's law. So these are the different expressions for work done or electrical energy supplied. Electrical energy supplied or electrical energy consumed here. Okay. This is clear. This is the amount of work done. Okay. Next, we discuss the
Sir.
SI unit. Yes.
Sir, from where this I square came?
Okay. From where? Ohm's law. Do you remember Ohm's law?
Yes,
Somewhere,
sir.
someday we have studied. V equal to IR. Okay. Okay. I square how came? If I replace V equal to IR put I. W equal to VIT. V I put IR. IR IT. I square RT. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Similarly, this one. Okay. So from where this came?
Sir, I is equal to VR.
V by R. Good.
V by
V
R.
by yes. Okay. What is the unit of energy? What is the unit of work done? SI unit of work?
Joule.
Joule. What is the unit of energy? What is the energy of? What is the unit of energy?
Joule.
Joule. SI unit of energy as well. Work done is same. They are same. That is joule. This is clear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes.
So we have discussed electrical energy. Now we discuss power. Okay. This side I'll be discussing power. Okay. Okay. Electrical energy, work done with this. Power means rate of electrical energy consumed. At what rate electrical energy is being consumed? Okay. At what rate electrical energy is consumed? It means power will be what? Work done per unit time or electrical energy per unit time. Per second, how much energy we are using? That is power. Per second, how much work is done? That is power. Power means electrical energy per unit second. Per second, how much energy per second we are using? This is clear. So, for example, E is the energy supplied. E is the energy supplied. Okay. And for T second, it was supplied. For time T, it was supplied. So, power will be how much? E by T.
E by
E by T. The E and W, they are same here. Okay. They are mainly always same. Energy supplied, the same amount is work done. We are not considering other losses. Okay. So P equal to E by T. Okay. Now put different E, we can put, okay, which all they have put. Q, okay, those are. Okay. So W equal to QV. This is energy also. Put it here. It will be QV upon T. Yes or no? This one I have put
Yes.
first one.
Yes,
Okay, Q
sir.
upon T is what?
Work done. Current.
It is current. Rate of flow of charge. That is current. Rate of flow of charge. Rate always means take it as per second with respect to time. Rate of flow of charge. Current. So what is first expression for power? V into I. This is our first expression for current. That is potential difference across and the current flowing. Okay. V into I. Okay. Next expression, how we can derive? P equal to VI. Again, which law we will use? Ohm's law. V equal to IR. Keep putting the values. First, okay, which one we should put first? Okay, V we are putting. So P equal to how much? Okay, first I
I
write
square.
VI, right? Okay. I square R. Okay. Okay, now I put I. V by R it will be. So how much? What will be?
V square upon per
V square upon R. Okay. These are the different expressions for power. You can see as well, work done, each divided by T. VIT divided by T, VI. I square R, T divided by T, I square R. V square R into T divided by T, V square by R. So these are expressions for electrical energy supplied or electrical energy consumed or amount of work done. This is the expressions for power. That is electrical energy supplied per unit time. That is per second. That is rate of energy supplied. At what rate energy is being supplied. Understood this one? Rate we
Yes,
already
sir.
know.
Yes.
Per second how much energy is supplied. Okay. What will be the unit? VI, volt ampere. So power first unit is volt ampere. We can get it V into I, volt ampere. Power, so power unit is volt ampere. Other units what they can be? Joule, work done, or energy, joule. Time is second per second, joule raised to power minus 1. Or one more unit is there.
Watt.
Watt. So 1 volt ampere equal to 1 joule per second equal to 1 watt. This is clear. So through a circuit, 1 watt of power. When does the 1 watt of power is there? 1 watt of power is the electrical energy consumed. When? How much current flows? So it is the electrical energy consumed for 1 second when 1 ampere flows under the potential difference of 1 volt. This is clear. 1 watt power is the amount of electrical energy consumed in 1 second when 1 ampere flows, when current of 1 ampere flows through a circuit having potential difference of V volts. Take her, Musa. Okay. This is clear. The definition 1 watt is the electrical energy flowing when a current of 1 ampere flows through a circuit. Okay. Is the electric energy consumed when a current of 1 ampere flows through a circuit with a potential difference of V volt. T is already taken care here. Okay. This is clear. Okay. Then different bigger units you all know. Megawatt, gigawatt. Okay. Those are kilowatt, megawatt. So 1 kilowatt is how much?
1000 watt.
1000 watt,
1 megawatt,
10 raised to 6 power watt,
okay, gigawatt,
10 raised to 9.
10 raised to 9. Okay, so we have discussed electrical energy, we have discussed power. Okay, just go through it once. If you have any doubt, ask. Go through it once. Go through it once if you have any doubt. Okay, so this we have discussed. Okay, so power we have discussed, electrical energy we have discussed. Now, commercial unit for electrical energy. Commercial means the unit which is being used for commerce, that is for trading purposes. Like in our home, we calculate units, how much units we have used. Okay, how much unit we have used, how much units of electrical energy we have used. So that unit,
Yes, sir.
how we are going to define that unit. What is that unit? We are going to define that. So till now we have discussed. So we are discussing electrical, okay, commercial unit of electrical energy. This means we have to electrical energy is unit we have to calculate. Okay. So work done we have discussed. Okay. We have discussed power is what? Work done, rate of doing the work. So what will be the work done? Power into T.
Power into T.
Power into T. This power will be discussing. You will get to know. Okay, we'll be discussing a little bit afterwards as well. Power. Okay, work done is what? How much power is there into time? For how much time we have used. Okay. Now, power unit is what? This is the unit. And time unit is second. Watt second is 1 unit. Watt second is unit of work done. Okay, but it is a smaller unit. We require bigger unit. So bigger unit, how we can go for? Like it can be watt minute or watt hour. That is power used for how many hours? Power used for hours. So we are calculating how much power is being used for hours. Okay, this is watt hour. Okay, so if I say 1 watt hour, what does it mean? 1 watt of power is used for how many hours? 1 hour. Okay, it means we are having an appliance. We are having an appliance of 1 watt, and we switched on. It worked for 1 hour. So how much energy is being consumed? 1 watt hour. Understood this one? We are having an appliance whose power rating is what? 1 watt, and it was switched on for 1 hour. So what is the amount of energy consumed? 1 watt hour, or we call it as 1 unit. Okay. So now see here, even this is smaller. Okay. So we went for kilowatt hour. This is our 1 unit. This is our 1 unit that is we usually call in home. That is how many units? That is how many of kilowatt has been used for hours. It means 1 kilowatt. It means an appliance, when we are having an appliance of 1 kilowatt, it is being used for 1 hour. The energy consumed is how much? 1 kilowatt. Or we can say energy supplied to that appliance is 1 kilowatt. So 1 kilowatt appliance has worked for 1 hour. It has consumed how many units? 1 unit. It has consumed 1 unit. This is clear? Now, what is the relation between these? Okay. So 1 watt hour we have discussed. If you have to convert into joules, what will be the relation? So we already discussed what is the unit for energy.
Joule.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, joule. 1 watt hour is how much? 1 watt into 1 hour. Okay. This you have studied. What is the other watt? What is the unit for other for the power? Joule per second. Just once 10 seconds I'll take. What is the unit for power? Joule per second as well. Work done per unit time per second. Okay, 1 hour, how many seconds? 3600 seconds. So they get cancelled. It's equal to how much? 3600 joules. So in 1 watt hour, this much joules of energy is being consumed. Okay, this is how they are related. 1 kilowatt, 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6. So 1000 you have to multiply that one. Okay. So power ratings we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. This is clear to all. So go through it once. If you have doubt, do ask tomorrow. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.